Just wrapping up here at Riley, Chevy, Buick, GMC, Cadillac in Jefferson City, Missouri, and this is what it came out like. This was a 20 panel job with 4 shelves, and this shows you the 20 panels. They constructed that blue wall back there and mounted plywood on it, and that's what we attached to. And over here's their 4 shelves with all their kits on it labeled and fixtures. Over here's their engine stand stuff that we hung up on the board, put tags with it. Over in that corner there is the 3 bottom boxes. The bottom box is non-current, the latest non-current tools that I always keep for the customer, and the other 2 are the from 0 to 3999 recommended tools that we didn't hang up. From 40,000 all the way through 52,000, we hung up recommended and essential tools. If there's an essential tool on a kit, there's a tag on the board directing you towards that kit where it is, or a fixture if it's on the shelf. And we work for Danny Rosh here. Met Kevin Riley, the owner. Real nice guy, great help. Over here is all the non-current tools that we're taking off. 15 non-current boxes of junk we're taking out of this job. And let me see, is there anything else? There's 2 panels on the end for growth. We're going to thank Tool Org for the job. We're going to thank God for his help as always.